Hello children, how are you all doing? Children, today I am not going to teach you a new lesson or a new poem. Then what are we going to do today? Today let us do the revision of the subject English. Let us solve some multiple choice questions based on the lessons from the English textbook New Voices. Lesson number 3, The Sweet Smell. Poem number 4, No No Bird. Lesson number 5, The Greedy Dog. And poem number 6, We Are Going to the Zoo. Let us solve some multiple choice questions based on the composition My Family and story The Ant and the Dove, which you have already learned. Are you ready, children? Try to read each and every question with me. Multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer. Now children, in multiple choice questions, you will be given a question and its options. You have to read the question and its options carefully and then choose the correct answer. Let me show you how to do it. Now let's read question number 1. Where is the sweet smell coming from? Now this question is from the lesson The Sweet Smell. Now let's read the options. A. Flowers. B. Cow dung. C. Socks. The sweet smell is coming from flowers. So let's pick the correct answer. A. Flowers. Okay, understood? Now let's read question number 2. What kind of socks does the boy have? Let's read options. A. Yummy. B. Lovely. And C. Dirty. The boy has dirty socks. So let's tick the correct answer. Dirty. Okay. Now let's read question number 3. The radio is playing. I can dash it. Let's read options. A. Smell. B. See. And C. Hear. The radio is playing. I can hear it. So let's tick the correct option or answer, that is C. Hear. Okay. Now let's read the next question. Question number 4. Do you think the boy likes Lucy Aloo? Yes, the boy likes Lucy Aloo. Now let's read the options first. A. Yes. B. No. Now let's take the correct answer, that is A. Yes. Now let's read the next question. Question number 5. Choose the meaning of sulk. Now this question is from the poem No No Bird. What is the meaning of sulk? Let's read the options. A. to be happy, B, to be upset, C, to be greedy, and D, to be sleepy. And the meaning of sulk is to be upset. So, tick the correct answer, to be upset. Now, let's read the next question. Question number 6. Choose the rhyming word for the word why. Let's read the options. A, ball, B, bat, C, cry, and D, bird. You know rhyming words, children. What is the rhyming word for why? See there in options. Let's read options again. A, ball, B, bat, C, cry. Yes, it's the correct answer. Cry. So, tick the correct answer. Cry. Okay. Now, let's read the question number 7. Choose the rhyming word for the word sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Let's read the options. A, tree, B, sky, C, dance, and D, ring. Yes, it's ring. Sing and ring. So, tick the correct answer. D, ring. Okay, very good. Now, let's read question number 8. The child lives up in the dash tree. Now, this question is from the No Bird poem only. Yes. Now, let's read the options. A, tantrum, B, coconut, C, mango, and D, apple. The child lives up in the tantrum tree. Yes. So, let's tick the correct answer. A, tantrum. Very good. Now, let's read the next question. Question number 9. The child says dash to everything. Let's read the options. A, yes, B, no. The child says no to everything. Yes. So, tick the correct answer. No. Now, let's read the next question. Question number 10. What is the opposite of sad? Now, children, this question is from the lesson The Greedy Dog. Now, let me give you example of opposite. Big, small. Tall, short. Up, down. So, like this, what is the opposite of sad? Now, in the lesson Greedy Dog, the greedy dog, you have learned the emotions. Okay. So, you know the emotions. You know the emotions sad also. So, what is the opposite of sad? Let's read the options. A, happy, B, sleepy, and C, angry. Sad, happy. Yes. So, pick the correct answer. Happy. We should be happy. We have solved 10 questions. Now let's go to the question number 11. Let's read it. The dog had to cross a dash. Let's read the options. A tunnel, B river, C bad, and D lane. The dog had to cross a river. So, tick the correct answer. B river. Very good. Question number 12. The dog ran with a piece of dash in his mouth. Now let's read the options. A. Meat, B. Loaf, C. Cake, and D. Cloth. The dog ran with a piece of meat in his mouth. So let's tick the correct answer. A. Meat. Now question number 13. The dog saw dash in the river. Let's read the options. A. His reflection, B. A fish, C. Another dog, and D. A snake. The dog saw his reflection in the river. Yes, very good. Now, let's read question number 14. How was the dog in the story? How was the dog in the story? Let's read the options first. A. Angry, B. Sleepy, C. Greedy, and D. Happy. The dog was greedy. Yes. So, tick the correct answer. C. Greedy. Now, let's read question number 15. The piece of meat looked dash in the reflection. Let's read the question again. The piece of meat looked dash in the reflection. Let's read the options. A. Smaller, B. Bigger. So, the correct answer is bigger. Tick the correct answer. Bigger. The piece of meat looked bigger in the reflection. Now let's read the next question. Question number 16. What will we see at the zoo? Now this question is from the poem We Are Going to the Zoo. Now let's read the question again. What will we see at the zoo? Now let's read options. A. Cockatoo, B. Flowers, C. Vegetables. And the correct answer is cockatoo. It is a bird. So tick the correct answer. Now let's read the question number 17. Choose the correct meaning of Neigh. Choose the correct meaning of neigh. 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 Now let's read the options. A. Sound made by people. And the B. Sound made by some animals. So meaning of neigh is sound made by some animals. So tick the correct answer. B. Sound made by some animals like horse neighs. Okay, understood? Now let's read the next question, that is question number 18. Choose the correct rhyming word for the word say. Now here again you have to choose the correct rhyming word for the word say. Now let's read the options. A. U. B. Zoo. And C. Day. Say and day. Yes. So the correct answer is day. So tick it. Okay. Now let's read the question number 19. With whom do lions play? Let's read the options. A. Tigers. B. Deer. And C. Kangaroo. Lions play with tigers. Very good. So pick the correct answer. Tigers. Now let's read the next question. Question number 20. Do you think the animals have fun in the zoo? Let's read the options. A. Yes. B. No. Yes. The correct answer is yes. The animals have fun in the zoo. Okay, children? Understood? Now let's go to the next question. Question number 21. My mother cooks dash food for me. Now this question is from the composition my family. Yes. Now let's read the options. A. Tasty. And B. Unhealthy. My mother cooks tasty food for me. So correct answer is tasty. So tick it. Tasty. Tasty. Question number 22. We all live in different kinds of families. Let's read it again. We all live in different kinds of families. Now let's read the options. A. True. B. False. Yes, it's true. We all live in different kinds of families like nuclear family, then joint family, then single parent family. So we all live in different kinds of families. So it's true. So pick the correct answer, that is true. Question number 23. Are you reading, children? My family helps me in developing dash habits. Let's read it again. My family helps me in developing dash habits. Let's read options. A. Good. B. Bad. Yes, good habits. Family helps me in developing good habits. Now let's read the question number 24. I dash my family very much. A. Love. B. Hate. I love my family very much. So take the correct answer, that is love. I love my family very much. Now question number 25. My mother dashed me in my studies. Options. Option A, helps, and B, disturbs. My mother helps me in my studies. So take the correct answer, that is A, helps. Now question number 26. In the story, the ant and the ant was dash. You know this story very well, children. You learn this story. So in this story, the ant was, let's read the options. A, thirsty. B, hungry. The ant was thirsty. Yes. So take the correct answer, that is A, thirsty. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Question number 27. The dove threw a dash into the water. The dove threw a dash into the water. Option A, leaf. Option B, twig. The dove threw a leaf into the water. Yes, L-E-A-F, leaf. Because the ant fell into the water. So, to help the ant, to save the ant's life, the dove threw a leaf into the water. Now let's read the question number 28. The ant dashed the bird catcher's leg. Let's read the options. A, stung. S-T-U-N-G, stung. And B, bite. B-I-T-E, bite. The ant stung the bird catcher's leg. Correct answer is stung. S-T-U-N-G, stung. Because the ant wants to save the life of dove. Okay. Now let's read the question number 29. The bird catcher missed his aim towards the dash. Option A, dove, and option B, crow. So when the ant stung the leg of the bird catcher missed his aim towards the dove. Yes. So correct answer is dove. So tick it. And the last question is, in the story, the ant and the dove, the ant was dashed to the dove. Option A, grateful. Option B, ungrateful. So as the dove saved the life of ant, the ant was grateful to the dove. So tick the correct answer, grateful. Okay children, so practice of reading all these questions and answers. Do the practice of solving them, reading them, and keep smiling. Bye bye. See you.